Some foot soldiers in MPP Ababontin Wombuefu are any easy. Now, assembly me say MPP for Afiansa Womobaye parliamentary primaries, not to say Womoba selected Womoba represent you for the various constituencies our parliament in 2020 elections. No. Now, say some constituency executives are favoring Omo Awomote so the dada, but those are the grassroots, no, 1% crofobia a free so. And a very notable person, Kennedy Japan, because my mammoth say in crofobia, baby, Kennedy Japan, or one, almost as I said, one more demonstration, say, one move to Kennedy Japan if you are dear so. A branch here for the very first time in a long while, a Trinity said, Wobbe contested Kennedy Japan, a war in the constituency hall. Now, a branch and you are disqualified, and you're no pay. We share a lot of MPP pinning for our more parliament more. What me say, one money or more air contesting. They've just been disqualified without any proper reasoning. Ama a year a mebnuno as sorry, say one more MP. One more say executives no, they are in bed with the MPs because the MPs are known. Now when and ama a year renowned a year Ghanaian accountants be Ababonten, a friend of Mr. Stephen Kweku Asare, or your lawyer, and Kofu Bebre FN Kweku Azar. Now, what they are some about Betuja say, what shall send your MPP for were more disqualified parliamentary aspirants and with very, very bogus reasonings. Not to say, reasons are your day disqualified will be no. Utumu say, I dream where you ukomupana, I dream dia enshade. Clearly, Utumu say, they want to favor the MPs. The current MPs are womoti so. Until 1 year or say wo contestants are MP now, you be you free. Now you have some bogus way be. Now the entire make us about this particular thing is say NDC for AAB. Ewo asanwase ye ni aye hu ye. Abrante bi a wo trinity say wo contest eye muntaka. Ye abrante ni fimu rough tactics ye di ni fimu because muntaka eye minority eye whip, chief whip. Into the post ewo parliament esunye. So some people felt say no, it was a muntaka ye protecting no. Now ye abrante ni film no, we saw how the MPP used that particular thing for propaganda. Womo kasa say NDC for there and the more there massa will be akwa contesting the pakona 1 year body biano mo ahye dey use bogus reasoning ni pakona film. Now womo MPP for no mo nim say womo so womo mbre ebeso. Afi womo so mbre aso a say NDC for the nipa baako and the year no MPP for omo mbra so a just say nkofo bebre to the point where embra election petition e sha say ekoso election petition ekoso lawyer baako was standing here ema MPP lawyer Philip Addison ni di no Philip Addison was standing my MPP. One not try the biano because constituency our years a walk jina no. A renowned MPP a year MPP e wo ho. It's lawyer Philip Addison krano or not try ye ni fimu with rough taxes. It's ye no ena man crofo ka se dabi we dey nye. And people are also speaking say what shall MPP for constituency mu any reason is ye di ye incrofo bia who say dabi because nipa baako say the way he was disqualified, no reasons are yemaye and say he's not having a year then he has not been nurturing the party at the constituency level. That's the reason no they disqualify and say he has not nurtured the party at the constituency level. And Angrofoka say nurturing the party at the constituency level no so Grofoba no what does it mean? Because Okwa MPP constituency more, it is stated clearly, say the Ebenam so ama ya disqualify will be from standing as a year MP no. Mami read into natural say nurturing be ewo baby a. One was say a known and active member of at least 2 years. Not just a person was standing Emma constituency be as MP. MP before constituency say at least sa constituency no. I was saying Nkrofa a womb anymore for at least 2 years. The second one, a registered member and a voter in the constituency which he or she seeks to represent. Not just say constituency now person standing as MP no, and was a registered member. And so you be a what to abanso was our constituency no. The third one is of good character. Not just a usubain a year. Fourth one is of good standing. Not just say yes, nini na good character ni good standing no. Nini it goes hand in hand. Ngofu huwa at least yanka nyamaboni bia emfa ho. The fifth one has paid the prescribed fee. Oko pick forms. I don't know. I said this time. Omo pick forms. I think it was 30,000 or so. A year 300 million or so. Then I stand to be corrected. Not just a oko pick forms. No. So what person was standing for MPR. MPP for constitution. The fifth points are and they say one eligibility. No one and they say over to me here. So forms now over picking. No. The sixth one qualifies under the electoral laws to be a parliamentary candidate for the constituency. Not just say Ghana Mrana Emma Ohokwa and say yes, we to me better than the parliamentary candidate for that particular constituency. We easy asem. The 7 point has signed the undertaking for parliamentary candidates. MPP for were undertaking there. Open say we better than the parliamentary candidate. Was signing. Inti ewasa was signing and sign over to me abedane parliamentary candidates. Now these are the requirements are ewa MPP for constitution mu media trail. San nurturing the party at the constituency level no anymore. Now so and there it is a reason in here ye die you be a film. Akwese koko football bono. So wunya anymore ye ma pass. The same thing in the AC. Now, media personally, me want to say, idea we nanka Kenya big deal. Say executives be want to say that be nipa way onto me mboye into yen disqualifying no. To be frank, media nanka me want to say enya big deal. But why today, as same way, Ababe done a big deal, they say MPP for AU Suno as politics against the NDC. And Bramutaka the anybody no, it's here for it's a winning. Hey! No way, and Namaka, no way, Namaka, no Wobika, say, yeah, there can say NDC for dear, one more farm brand Yejuma, one more constituency in it, say, Nipa way, and also woman the call, Nipa na your way, one manako. Ah, and I say, Opesa we in the film keke, just say, one more the year politics. One more if you say one more do. And then the same thing. Mrs. our MPP, this are NDC for there's no difference. Shake. There is no difference. And just political colors no different, but nipa ne wom no oh difference be a name. And then NDC e was so the one who say eye papa the MPP be who say bone no. The next time MPP so be was so the na won who say bone na afi wo be who say papa na NDC so the one who say papa na afi wo be who say bone. Inti sa and I ye are disqualifying for bogus reasoning. Nipa na ye disqualifying no na one Kennedy Japan air standing no. Nem for say one month here. To the point where ende nipa na kra wa ye na adwen say we be stand as independent candidates. It was our constituency no. Now one thing about political parties ni say ye ne wo kasa ebia ya ma one stand as a year for primaries no. Na ye ne wo kasa na wo si wuntie na wo stand as a year independent. You don't have a chance of coming again. Wo ba bioma ye nche because wo stand as independent. Mekai embra miswano in Tema West. That time na lawyer Edu na I think he was the majority leader. That time Natoshi Irene Natoshi meaning say friend Irene dia ba Natoshi ene betu lawyer Edu. Mekai Natoshi betu lawyer Edu no lawyer Edu ye na just say wo be kwa stand as independent. Nko fu 2-4. Say won go stand as independent. Na MPP for ekohia no ene ne kasa ye say dabi. Wo stand as independent and actually say he doesn't have a chance to come again. But you see, Kama took place. Wono na atoshini nso Carlos Ahenkra eba se wo betu no afi ma mi se won pene e na nkrofo ka se he wo ye se wo go tulo ye du no obi anya hwe o na Carlos Ahenkra ye se wo betu eye na atoshi no na afi na atoshi ehyehyehye MPP constituency executive ase na eno nso Carlos Ahenkra the same thing no mo pese wo mo de ye no mo pese wo mo use bogus reason bi e de forget no. But my youth MPP for sorry ya ekase executives nim no mu nim na wo mu use bogus reason bia etu Carlos Ahenkra wo mu behu. So that was the threat. And na still na atoshin person wo beti ase nini na wo mo call primaries no indeed Carlos Ahenkra e win hands down. Etie for Montreal mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo.